How to use one WhatsApp in two phones. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use one WhatsApp in two phones. Now, WhatsApp has rolled out this feature where you can use one WhatsApp account in multiple devices. So if you have already logged into WhatsApp in one device, let's say iPhone, and now you want to log into your Android device with the same account as well, then the process is very simple. All you want to do is open up your Play Store and then you want to search for WhatsApp. Now you want to have this application installed on your device. So tap on the install option. After it has been installed, you simply want to open WhatsApp. Now select your language, then tap on the arrow option. Now tap on agree and continue over here. Now, normally you will enter your phone number in order to be logged into your account, but over here you will not enter your phone number. Instead, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and then you have this option that says link as companion device. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, what that will do is generate a QR code over here. You also have a bunch of instructions at the bottom that says open WhatsApp on your primary phone, then tap on menu on Android or settings on iPhone, and then tap on the link devices and then link a device. So you want to follow these instructions. You want to open WhatsApp on your primary device, whether it is on your Android or iPhone. Then you want to tap on these three dots. Then you want to tap on the linked devices option. Now you want to tap on link a device option over here. Now your camera will open up. You simply want to scan the QR code that was in your secondary device. After you scan that QR code, you will be able to use your one WhatsApp account in two different phones. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.